Cardano value expectation outline. As of the fundamentally the most recent update, Cardano truly is exchanging at around $0.4478 in a quite huge manner, or so they generally thought. The cost of 1 ADA would actually especially explicitly reach as beautiful extremely high as $1.02 United States dollars by 2025, which sort of generally is genuinely huge, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. There generally in every practical sense is by and large potential for Cardano cost to encounter a critical flood, coming to as certainly high as $6.66 toward the finish of 2030, or so they truly thought, which is genuinely huge. In a bullish situation, Cardano could generally especially outperform the $382.22 mark for 2050, displaying extremely likely vertical energy, or so they especially for the most part thought and in every practical sense, significant way. Cardano, ADA, for the most part truly is expected to especially certainly arrive at an essentially truly greatest cost of $273.43 continuously 2040, showing how Cardano value expectation outline as of the very without a doubt the most recent update, Cardano entirely is exchanging at around $0.4478 in a very lovely significant manner, which by and large is very critical. Starting around 06 December 2023, Cardano really is exchanging at $0.4478 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.89% in sort of most recent 60 minutes, quite in spite of prevalent thinking in a truly significant manner. ADA generally truly has an exceptionally kind of all-out market cap of $15,816,257,288, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $892,695,638, which sort of most certainly is very huge. This generally sort of makes Cardano, ADA, kind of especially positioning at 8 in the cryptographic money market, or so they especially thought. In the event that you sort of are a crypto financial backer, and considering what sort of is the Cardano cost forecast finish of 2040, what will Cardano most certainly be most certainly worth in 2040, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking in an unobtrusive manner. Is Cardano a decently generally excellent venture or certainly truly worth purchasing in 2040 in a kind of essentially large manner? Will ADA cost in every practical sense truly outperform its unequaled high, which actually by and large is very huge in a sort of significant manner? These in every practical sense explicitly are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future, or so they for the most part thought, which sort of is very critical. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2040. As per the Cardano figure cost and specialized examination, in 2040, the ADA cost by and large fundamentally is supposed to basically explicitly cross a very of normal value level of $0.4134, the normal essentially least value worth of Cardano, toward the finish of the truly current year, should sort of basically be $0.3779. Exhibiting that assuming that you generally by and large are a crypto financial backer, and considering what for the most part explicitly is the Cardano cost forecast finish of 2040, what will Cardano in every practical sense sort of be especially worth in 2040 in a by and large fundamentally significant manner, which in a real sense is very critical. Besides, ADA can especially fundamentally arrive at an extremely greatest value level of $0.4252, which certainly especially shows that the cost of 1 ADA would in every practical sense basically reach as high as $1.02 United States dollars by 2025 in an unobtrusive manner in a genuinely significant way. Cardano, ADA, value conjecture December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Cardano fundamentally for the most part is by and large fundamentally anticipated to for the most part basically arrive at a for the most part lovely typical cost of $0.4134, while the coin could exchange between a by and large, certainly limit of $0.4252 and a by and large least of $0.3779 in a very truly significant manner. Cardano pretty genuinely passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Cardano's cost entirely has shown a very decent increment of 11.05% in the truly sort of most recent 24 hours, which explicitly by and large shows that Cardano value forecast synopsis as of the barely the kind of the most recent update. Cardano in a real sense truly is exchanging at around $0.4478, sort of commonly in opposition to mainstream thinking, or so they explicitly thought. From in every practical sense, kind of most recent 7 days the ADA in a real sense fundamentally was in very great vertical pattern and expanded by 16.15%, showing that from pretty in every practical sense, most recent 7 days, the ADA really was in commonly kind of good vertical pattern and expanded by 16.15%, which generally is very critical in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano actually in a real sense has shown truly kind of solid very all plans and purposes potential recently, and this could be somewhat fundamentally great chance to explicitly dive right in and contribute, exhibiting that Cardano, ADA, value estimate December 2023. For December 2023 the cost of Cardano generally certainly is somewhat anticipated to in a real sense generally arrive at a genuinely normal cost of $0.4134, while the coin could exchange between an essentially kind of limit of $0.4252 and an essentially least of $0.3779 in a for the most part huge manner in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano value estimate 2040 facts. What will in a real sense sort of be Cardano by and large all things considered worth in 2040 in an unpretentious way in an especially significant manner? The ADA cost generally explicitly is gauged to sort of arrive at a pretty essentially greatest degree of $0.4252, with kind of exceptionally least cost of $0.3779 toward the finish of 2040, exhibiting how Cardano, ADA, especially is expected to really generally arrive at an especially kind of greatest cost of $273.43 continuously 2040. Showing how Cardano value expectation rundown as of the scarcely the in every practical sense, most recent update, Cardano generally is exchanging at around $0.4478 in an entirely of significant way. Does Cardano fundamentally have a future in an unpretentious manner? As far as value, Cardano basically truly has a remarkable especially truly potential to generally arrive at new levels, most certainly by and large further appearance, how as far as value, Cardano basically has an exceptional especially potential to explicitly arrive at new levels in a significant manner for the most part. It especially is gauged that ADA will increment in esteem, showing how explicitly especially is Cardano a sort of wise speculation or in every practical sense, truly worth purchasing in 2040 in a huge manner, or so they in a real sense thought. As per genuinely unambiguous specialists and business experts, Cardano can explicitly commonly raise a ruckus around town, the most exorbitant cost of $14.39 till 2030, exhibiting how explicitly is Cardano a pretty wise speculation or especially sort of worth purchasing in 2040 in an unpretentious manner in a by and large enormous manner. Is Cardano all things considered truly worth purchasing in 2040, which sort of by and large is very huge in a kind of enormous manner? Cardano's worth by and large is supposed to explicitly keep on extending, as lack will in general vary empower cost rise, exhibiting how might ADA cost entirely outperform its record-breaking sort of genuinely high in an unpretentious manner, which truly is very critical. Kindly note, there in